Hi guys, this is Mr. Gore coming at you with Screencast number 4, I think, for this academic school year. I just want to let you know we're a little bit behind Mr. Moyer's class because all the work that we had to do to switch over to the Google domain, that put us back a little bit. So we're going to have to really jump into things and make up some ground so that we can catch up through our investigate stage. Now for your homework, you have answered your guiding questions and you have created a works cited page with annotated citations according to the format that I showed you on the previous screencast. So for what we're going to be doing in tomorrow's class is the following. I want you to consider this question. How can a multimedia advertising campaign promote an organization in FDR and help to build a greater sense of community at the same time? Now, if that sort of sounds like a guiding question, it kind of really is. It is really the big idea that I think we need to focus on when we write our introductions, because that's going to allow you to really demonstrate an understanding of our significant concept and unit question, but also bring in some of the things that you've learned from your research to really detail how to conduct a successful multimedia campaign. Okay, so let's keep our focus on this question as we work through tomorrow's class. Our first item on the agenda is that we're going to analyze examples of successful introductions. These are examples of student work from last year, maybe from some of you who were in 8th grade, and when we were working on a similar unit that dealt with the PSAs. And you'll remember that our significant concept for that unit was media can affect people's attitudes and behaviors. So it's very related to the current unit we're doing. So we're going to take a look at some successful introductions there. We're going to analyze them, talk about what makes them successful, so that then you can use those to write your own introductions. Okay? So let me give you a little background here. When you come into class tomorrow, what I want you to do is to remain in your groups, and I'm going to have the examples of student work projected on the board. In your groups, I want you to discuss those introductions, talk about what you think makes them good, what makes them effective, and what are the elements that you can learn from and incorporate into your own writing. And then I'll ask you to kind of share that out and we'll have a discussion in class. Once we've done that, I'm going to let you have probably the next 50 minutes or so to go ahead and actually write those introductions. About 15 minutes towards the end of the class, we're then going to do another analysis, this time of design briefs, and we'll use the same format, sort of discussions in our groups and then sharing out to the rest of the class. And once you've done that, I'll get you started writing your own design briefs, and you will probably have to do that for homework. Okay guys, 3 minutes description of what we're going to do in class. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.